I'd like to welcome you all to our fall symposium, our annual fall symposium. And we're very excited today. We have 22 projects in the 52 student seniors we had this year. And this is the midway mark of our progress, which will be completed in the middle of April of next year at the summit. So I'm very excited, and I'm sure all our teams are very excited as well to present these 22 projects, which have tremendous depth and breadth of work with these projects. So as you can see from the back cover of the program that you have a copy of, I've kind of drawn an analogy between the Wheatstone Bridge and the Capstone Bridge. The Wheatstone Bridge is a very well-known bridge to be able to determine the unknown resistance if two known resistors are in the circuit and you have a variable resistor. So we have a very good analogy with that bridge and the Capstone Bridge. We have the sponsors, we have the technical directors from the sponsoring company, we have the setup of the ELECOMP Capstone design program, which I direct, and we have that variable, which is the student teams and the diversity of skills they bring in. So when all these three aspects work in harmony and well with each other, help each other out, then we have the unknown that is accomplished, which is the best anticipated outcome of the sponsor's problem. So I think we're very excited. We want to thank very much our sponsoring companies. We have 20 of them this year, and 10 of them are on board for the first time. So that's a very, very good development. And I hope many more new ones will come on next year. So without technical direction from the companies and guidance and mentoring to the student teams every week, the progress will not be there. So I'd like to invite all my senior capstone designers to join me and give a big round of applause to the sponsoring companies for their very generous support, and also to the technical directors who have been directing your projects. Come on, team, let's hear it. I've also been very fortunate to have working with me 4 or 5 consulting technical directors who are graduates of this program or are employed in industry or independently. Their names are in the program. They have been a tremendous help to the program, interacting with their teams on Tuesday evenings when we worked on campus, and we would help them, brainstorm ideas so that they can progress, more efficiently and more rapidly towards the eventual outcome. Apart from meeting with their technical directors every Friday, either at the company location or through video chatting, then basically that interaction, came out very, very good indeed. So thank you to all the technical, consulting technical directors as well. Team, let's hear it. I also want to thank the panel of judges who are here to help determine the top 5 teams that we have among the 22. I take this, this pretty seriously. I really encourage the teams to put their best foot forward, and we've been practicing a lot, and hopefully, they'll be able to show that today in terms of the visuals that they're going to be presenting, the visuals that they have created for the program, and so, thank you very much for volunteering, or maybe I twisted your elbow a little bit, but to come and judge these teams and help us, pick out the top 5. By the time after lunch, you'll be able to see the demos as well. So thank you very much again. Without further ado, I'd like to invite our first team, Ecumetrics, to start the presentation. Thank you.